giveaway announcement, Prismatic Evolution surprise box. So this is a sealed box, unopened. We'll be giving this away on February 14, Valentine's Day. Actually, up to the end of February 14, you can like, share, and watch and comment on this video either in YouTube or Facebook. Whichever gets the most engagement, whichever platform in YouTube or in Facebook will get the product. So this giveaway. So it will be on this video. So if this video gets more like or more engagements in Facebook, then the Facebook video will get the draw on Gleam. We will be using Gleam. So we're still studying Gleam. That's why we're giving it a lot of time. So let's see if you guys can join. Please do. We'd like to have as much engagement as we can. So this video in Facebook or YouTube. So if you're watching this on TikTok, go watch it also in our other platforms. See you guys.